So I use distilled water whenever I'm mixing up a chemical. I will get it out of my CR Spotless, or you can just buy jugs from your local grocery store or Target. And what I did is started with an empty bottle. Then I poured in 8 ounces of DIY Details All Clean. Right here, I went up to 8, poured it in, and then filled the rest with distilled water. So that 120 ounces of distilled water on top of the 8 ounces of All Clean gives me the 15-to-1 ratio that I made in this jug. So I fill up my SPTA foamer here with the product, and then to give it a little bit of extra foaming action, I put in just a dollop, a little pour, maybe about the equivalent of a cap full of DIY Details Incredible Suds. So the first thing I want to do is turn this on. We'll let that pressurize. All right, the foamer is ready. What we'll do is foam this up and see how much of the dirt it releases just by the chemical action itself. So I use this for tires, wheels. It has replaced my using Brake Buster. This is a stronger cleaner, and I feel it's slipperier, better cleaning action than Brake Buster. I get more browning out of the tires when I'm using this on a customer's vehicle. I think these foamers are about $60, $70 on Amazon right now. I bought 2 of them that have lasted a couple months. The one is kind of starting to go out on me. This one is working great. Container's getting empty as I've used it a couple times. So why don't I take you in, instead of talking about it, let's fill it up right now. Spin the top off. I already have my 15-to-1 dilution mixed up of All Clean. Incredible Suds, when I say a dollop, about like that. Spin on the top. Give it a shake. I love Incredible Suds, but it is very thick, so if you're trying to mix it up, sometimes it takes a little bit of work. I'll let that pump up. Not many bugs right now, but this would work great on the bugs. So the heavy sediment is removed. We still got to do a contact wash to get that traffic film, road film off, and the oils. Much better. So that's how I use All Clean as a pre-foam.